how to see a connected Wi-Fi's password on your phone. Welcome back to the channel, guys, and in this video I'll tell you exactly how you can check your password for a connected Wi-Fi on your phone. So the first thing you need to do is actually go into the Wi-Fi settings option, and from here you want to tap on your Wi-Fi to share it, and you're going to get this QR code. Go ahead and take a screenshot of that QR code. Now what I want you to do is go ahead and open up Google Chrome, and here you want to type out zxing.org and click on the first link that pops up. You want to go ahead and select choose a file and go ahead and select the screenshot that you just took, and now swipe on the right side and tap on submit, and this page will load up. On the parse results you will see your name of your Wi-Fi, and above false you'll actually see your password. Now it is blurred out in my case, but it is the actual password. I just don't want to show it due to personal reasons, and boom, that is how you can see a connected Wi-Fi's password on your phone. If this video helps you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Turn on the bell notification to get notified when we upload next. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.